What if I told you your favorite influencer isn't even real? That perfect Instagram model, that viral TikTok star, that YouTuber with millions of followers, they could all be AI generated. AI-powered influencers are replacing real humans, making money, and even signing brand deals. But how do they work, and will they take over the future of social media? Let's find out. AI influencers are digital humans, created using AI, CGI, and deep learning. Unlike real influencers, they don't age, don't have scandals, and are completely controlled by brands and creators. Meet Lil Miquela, an AI influencer with over 2.5 million Instagram followers. She releases music, does brand deals, and interacts like a real person. Except she doesn't actually exist. What's even crazier? Most people don't even realize they're following AI-generated influencers. So, how are these digital influencers created? It all starts with AI and CGI artists designing a hyper-realistic three-dimensional model. Next, AI helps generate lifelike voices, facial expressions, and even unique personalities. Some even use deepfake technology to look and sound just like a real person. And here's where it gets wild. Brands can program these influencers to say exactly what they want, making them the perfect brand ambassadors. Brands love AI influencers because they're cheaper, more controllable, and never get into scandals. In fact, AI influencers often have higher engagement rates because they seem mysterious and futuristic, attracting more attention. Luxury brands like Prada, Dior, and Balenciaga are already partnering with AI models. Why pay a human when a digital influencer can be perfectly designed to fit the brand's vision? But here's the scary part. What happens when AI influencers become indistinguishable from real people? With brands shifting to digital humans, will real influencers lose their jobs? Could AI manipulate audiences without anyone realizing it? There's also the risk of AI influencers being used for propaganda, misinformation, or even scams, since they're fully controlled by their creators. So, what's next? In the future, AI influencers could exist in the metaverse, host live events, and even have full-blown relationships with followers. Some experts believe AI influencers will become as common as human influencers, maybe even replacing them completely. So what do you think? Will AI influencers take over, or will people always prefer real humans? Let's talk in the comments. If you love future tech and AI, hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you in the next one.